Hello friends, a very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you all are listening to me. I hope you all are doing good. You're absolutely fine, absolutely healthy, and your preparation for your December exams are going wonderful. Today, we have a wonderful announcement from our Honorable Institute. Now, there is a very good news. Now, what this good news is all about, that if you are an executive pass student and you were confused about the training structure, old training, new training. Now there is a relaxation by institute of undergoing what? Undergoing 15 days classroom EDP out of the 30 days EDP as mentioned in the regulations, the new regulations. If you have completed 15 days academic program under the previous structure, the previous training structure, the students used to do 15 days academic program. Now, out of those 15 days academic program, if you have completed under old structure, it was e-work, e-governance, it was 15 days were divided into 3 plus 2 plus 5 days. Now, if you have completed 15 days academic program, you will be, and you are planning to shift to the new training structure. Now, new training structure, the due date to join the training is 2nd of February. You all know that 2021. So now institute has given the relaxation that old training structure students, if they have completed the training under old structure, 15 days academic program they have done, and they want to shift from old to new. Now if they do that, they will not be required to do 15 days EDP, only they will be required to do 15 days online EDP, means you will be getting 15 days EDP exemption. So this is a very good news, because you have invested your time, money and energy in those academic programs. Like I do take academic programs in NIRC, so we know that it involves a lot of time, money and energy. The students will not be required to do 15 days classroom EDP if they shift, and they will be required to do only online EDP. That is all about this notification. Students under the new training structure are required to complete 15 days EDP in the classroom mode and another 15 days by online mode. If you are in new structure, then 15 plus 15 days training का provision है new structure में. लेकिन if you have done academic program under previous structure or have granted the exemption, and on switching over to new structure, the 15 days classroom EDP will be exempted. So this is a very good news. We thanks our Honorable Institute for giving such wonderful information as far as training structure is concerned. And one more news is there as far as training structure is concerned, that quarterly reports which you have to submit to the institute. This last date for submitting the quarterly reports for second quarter and third quarter for 2020 was 30th of September 2020. Now this has been extended to 31st of December 2020. You can approach your trainer, you can fill the quarterly report, you can file it on time by 31st of December. So this was the latest news as far as training structure is concerned. A lot of things coming for your December exams. And we are practicing a lot of MCQs. If you are an executive student, I would request you to join our Telegram groups. I'll give the link in the description. For old students, executive, we are doing practice of income tax and GST in our Telegram channel. We'll be giving schedules. We are giving the targets to revise a particular topic and chapter. And I'll be putting MCQs to test your preparation. And if you are a new syllabus executive, I am doing it for corporate and management accounting plus financial strategic management plus GST plus income tax. I am doing practice of all those MCQs. So I request you take the benefit. Thank you very much. A lot of more things coming for December 9/20 exam. God bless you. Stay connected. Stay blessed. Goodbye. Jai Hind. Bye-bye.